Hey, what's up guys, how you doing today? Yeah, in this video I'm gonna share with you 5 best mobile video editing app you can use on your Android or Apple device. Yeah, we all know that you cannot compare a PC or computer with your mobile phone, so definitely there will be a limited to what all these apps that I'm gonna share with you can perform. So definitely you can't compare all this mobile app with your PC or a system app. So definitely there will be some one or two different things apart from that. Definitely the PC app we used to make it different from the mobile app. So I'm gonna share with you the 5 best app you can use. Maybe you are sharing some content on Instagram or anything, or you run a program and you want to make it in a video. So definitely these 5 app will be best for you to use. The first one I'm gonna share with you is InShot. InShot is an app that you can use to edit a video, resize, and also add a animation and some other stuff. And this app is available on Play Store. The other one I'm gonna share with you is Adobe Premiere Rush. Adobe Premiere Rush is just like Adobe Premiere Pro, which you can use on your PC, but this one is for the mobile app. So definitely you'll be able to, or you'll be limited to some features from the PC own. So definitely this app is also the best you can use so far. And the other one I'm going to share with you is KineMaster. KineMaster is also best, and this kind of mobile app editor is also the best because you'll be able to add music if you are into maybe a comedy or anything. So definitely this app is very useful too. And the another one is Over. This Over is also the best out of among the top 5 I'm sharing with you. So definitely you will be able to add some features, and this Over app is kind of like different from others because there are more features you can use on this app. And the fifth one is Mojo. So on this Mojo they are limited, and I think this is the least among the app, and the feature is kind of like different from the 4 that I just mentioned. But of course this Mojo app is also the best among the other mobile editing app. I just wish you find this video helpful and all these features helpful to you. Thank you.